Hey there! In this video, I'll show you where the drainage holes are located in the engine compartment of the Audi A6 C5 and how to clean them. One day, I noticed that water under the battery doesn't drain immediately, so I decided to reach the drainage holes and see their condition. To do this, remove the sealing rubber and then take out the plastic cover to access the bolts securing the battery. Then, disconnect the terminals and unscrew the battery mounting bolt. Now, you can remove the battery from the car. After removing the battery, you need to take off the platform it was on by unscrewing 4 bolts. So, I've unscrewed the bolts and now I'm taking out the platform. All of this was done to reach 2 drainage holes located under the battery and the brake booster vacuum. Check the first drainage hole. As you can see, it's completely clogged with leaves, despite the fact that I cleaned it a year ago. This happens because there's a rubber seal that doesn't let dirt, sand, and leaves pass through easily. As a result, they accumulate in this area and completely block the holes. Next, check the second drain under the brake booster vacuum, but you need to reach in with your hand. As you can see, it's also completely blocked with debris. Now, I'll be removing all the dirt and show you how they should look in the end. As an option, you can remove the rubber seal and cut its bottom part to make the hole even larger and prevent debris from accumulating there. It's essential to check this periodically because if water accumulates here, it can later enter your cabin and damage the electronics and wiring. That's it for now.